Hey, oh, I have all the crap in the back of the car. So we are house shopping more. We're gonna just look for some more furniture, decorations. We're just gonna go to a bunch of different places today. Obviously this is the part two. Yeah, part two? Yeah. This is the part two of our little house update series. Like I said, just gonna be shopping around and see what we can find. Is your house coming together so far, you think?
I think so.
A little bit. We're going like a little bit north of like where we usually shop, so we're gonna go to some places we don't usually go. Even though we're at like a Ross right now, so like the same stores but like different location. We're at Ross, gonna go see what there is. Okay, so we found a perfect round mirror. Oh wait, I can like see myself like both ways. Anyways, this is almost exactly like the Target one I wanted to get, but it's a little bit cheaper, so I'm like I might as well get it here at Home Goods. So I think we're gonna get that. We have not had any success besides the mirror, and we've been to like 5 places, but it's fine. Looking at wood for a shelf. So we found these brackets. We're at this place called At Home, and I've never been here. And there's a million things. It's like a humongous Home Goods. What?
I'm at home.
We're overwhelmed in the At Home. There's too much to look at.
Overwhelmed at home.
So we're on a mission to find brackets for a shelf. Well, we actually just bought like wood and we're gonna like try and make our own shelf, but we need brackets for it. And it's been really hard to find because they can only be 3 inches and we haven't seen them. They're usually like too long and they like hang off then. So we're gonna go a couple places and see if we can find any. And then we wanna see if we can hang tonight, like the entryway stuff. We have like a round mirror and the shelf. The first stop, Home Depot. So I don't think they have it. This is all just like hinges, knobs and stuff. And he came a while ago and they like showed him where they would be, but like they don't have them, so. What the heck? We found them. We just got like a black iron look. I wanted them really simple, so this should probably work. They're a little bit smaller even than the shelf, so that's probably gonna be good. No, you're just looking for a hose.
Not yet. Now I'm looking at weed killer.
Oh.
Because I actually own a house and have weeds.
Now we're in Michael's. Just for fun. We already got what we needed. We have a bunch of fall stuff out there. Halloween. Time to get it going. Finally. I can't wait. And we have the mirror that's been sitting there for so long. Finally gonna go up on the wall.
Which one do you want to use?
I don't know. Looks fine to me.
They're higher.
No, I don't want it super high. Like what happens if I walk by? Yeah, that's fine. Right? Yeah. No, wait, maybe like a smidge higher. Did you move it? Are you moving it? Drilling our hole. Can I see inside of it?
Okay.
It's huge. There's the mirror. Still have that IKEA rug there. Plant. It's doing well. Not that it's live or anything. It's not going in. What? What do you mean? Still trying to get the nail. Or what is it called? Screw? Is that it? Is it being hung? It's dirty. It needs to be clean. Wait! It's hung, right? Whoa.
Is that too low?
I hope not. I don't think so. Go hold that up. Is it too low? It's not too low, is it? Oh my god, is it too low? No,
I feel
go.
like it should be as high as the door.
What? People aren't that tall, John.
Yeah, but the
I know
bottom
you
of it
are.
is-
Like, I'll hold that up and I'll let you know. That doesn't need to be super far from the thing. Now look at me a little bit further down. Oh, I think that looks good. Yeah, that's perfect. Deal. Love it. Let's go. Hanging that now. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Cleaning it off. Looks good. About to hang the shelf. Got the little sticker on. Oh, it's gonna look so good. And then like during the day when the window, like that window's open, it's gonna reflect. It's gonna be even brighter. Okay, I think it's done. We're gonna have to put stuff on it. Looks great. Oh, I'm so glad, because we couldn't put like a full entryway table here because there's only like this much space, or else the door, well, we should try and see what the door's gonna hit. You see, like the door's never really gonna open this far. Oh, remember we were talking about doing this? Like it was gonna be like right above the doorknob.
Yeah, way to go.
Oh, we were so close. So I realized I never really showed the full product. We put like a candle and some flowers there. And I also never mentioned anything about the ottoman. I mean, it's like all messy right now, but I ordered it and it came in the mail and I wasn't here like the day it got here. So he just went ahead and put it together. So that was like that little time lapse that came out of nowhere and I didn't even explain anything. But yeah, kind of looks pretty good. I think the entryway looks really good. Do you? Turned out great. So yeah, you guys kind of saw a better look at what we did and the ottoman and everything. I feel like there was something else I was gonna say, but I forgot. And also don't mind, I haven't put anything on my lips yet, so that's why it looks like that. This is totally unrelated to this vlog, but we're going to Disney Springs today. But I wanted to give you guys like a little overview of like what we finished, because I feel like I didn't really end off the vlog. And also it was kind of like all over the place, so I apologize. When I like looked back at the first part of the footage, it was like we were somewhere for like 2 seconds and then we like jumped to another place and I didn't even like talk. So sorry about that. Hopefully the next ones are gonna be better, our next little updates. We might not do anything else big for a while, unless he gets his dining table. We're gonna look for that next. Probably like a TV console. So yeah, those are like the main things we're worried about. I'm probably not gonna worry about like the bedroom for a while. Mostly just like the main living area and kitchen and stuff, because that's where everyone's gonna be to hang out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, sorry it was pretty all over the place and kind of sucked, but stay tuned for the rest of my updates with the house and also all of my college videos. Make sure to subscribe for those. Thanks for watching.